Hi, good afternoon, everyone. It's Ryan Sloan with the Gear Cage, and today I'm going to walk you through installing an iZotope product. So, whether it's Ozone or in this case RX or any other iZotope product, you're going to go through these steps in order to install it the first time. Now, once you install one product, it's easier to install subsequent products. So definitely keep that in mind. And I've actually got my handy dandy Sweetwater webpage up here that's going to help guide us through this. Now, in getting started, you can see that the first step they have here is to create an iLok account. We actually don't have to do this with iZotope products because unless you are using iLok for a lot of your other software needs, you can actually authorize iLok on its own through their product portal. And in fact, you can even switch back and forth between their product portal authorization and iLok. So for our cases here, let's just assume that we don't have an iLok account and want to install an iZotope product. So let's work on that. So the first thing we want to do is go over here to the iZotope website at iZotope.com. So you can see that particular web address right there, iZotope.com, iZotope.com. That'll take you where you need to go. And let's just start by logging in to their site. Now, if you don't already have an email address with them, you'll need to certainly create one. But since we already do have one here, let me just type mine in here and then sign in. But if you don't have that, you'll need to create a new account. All right, so once you have your iZotope account, so you've created your account, this is your login page that you'll see here. So it'll give you some upgrade offers and some other things that you can do with the software. But let's just get started. Let's look at their site here and let's download the pieces of software that we need to get started. So the first thing that we want to do to get a product installed here is to go to their product portal. That streamlines the whole process with installing iZotope software. So you could actually go there right from here. And then just click to download for your specific computer. If you're on a PC, click this one. If you're on a Mac, click this one right here. And then that download will start. Luckily, it's a pretty small installer, so we're able to download it in just a few seconds. And then just run the installer that you just downloaded here. So you can see they've made this process pretty streamlined and pretty easy, especially on a Mac, to get it up and running. All right. Now, the product portal will actually use your existing login on the iZotope site. I usually disable this kind of thing. It's not that it's bad to have it on, but I just don't want my products communicating via the web with their home base, as much as possible. So I try to disable that when I can. I also don't necessarily want to launch product portal as soon as an installation is complete. It doesn't really matter. You can do it either way. So now we're installing the product portal. This will be the conduit that you'll use for all future iZotope purchases. So this is actually probably the most complex part of the whole thing. And you can see it's not been terribly difficult to do. So now we can run the product portal, and it's going to update our data. It's going to know who we are and all of this stuff, which is great. And you can see that we're currently logged in under my account that we had. So you can see it's got it all there. It knows who we are, and it also tells us the products that we already own. So in this case, I just got the new RX8. So I want to add that to my existing software. So in order to do that, I'm going to click up here where you see the barcode where it says add a serial number. And then it's as easy as just taking your serial number that they send you in the email and pasting it in. So now it's asking how I want to authorize the software. Like I said, we can use the iLok License Manager, but in this case, I want to just authorize it to the computer just because I don't necessarily always want to use the iLok License Manager for the software. You can change it later though. And just like that, RX8 is activated on this particular computer. Now, you'll see that it's not installed yet because we just activated it. So we can go down to our license here and say, hey, here's RX8 Advanced that we just authorized to this computer. Let's install it. And the product portal is so handy, it's going right to their site and downloading it directly. And you can see it's a large program, but it's able to download pretty quickly through their direct portal. And your status is shown here as it's downloading. So while that's downloading here, we can go ahead and close all of this out. But the good news is we're almost done with this process. So let's just recap it here. So to install iZotope software, you simply go to iZotope.com. You log in on the top right-hand corner here. You go to Account Overview. And once you're there, you can go to your purchase history or just look for the product portal on their website. But that's going to be the easiest way to install the software using the product portal. So once you install the product portal, you open it. And then once you have it open, you click up here to add the product serial number. And then click the install button on the right down here, which will then get the software up and running. Now, for security purposes, it can't just automatically install the software. So on your PC and Mac, it's typically going to say, hey, do we have permission to install this software here? So you certainly do. Let's go ahead and add it here and make sure you type that in right. And then it's installed. So it's finalizing the setup here and installing the various pieces of the software. And by the way, I don't know which iZotope product that you purchased, but if you are looking to remove noise and increase the intelligibility of your audio or fix problem things, like let's say you want to remove scratchiness from a vinyl or something, RX is amazing for that. It's really audio black magic, basically. So if you need to do anything as far as cleaning up bad audio or fixing audio that may have been distorted or clipped on the way in, RX can really do all of those things. Now, the other cool part about the iZotope product portal while we're here is that you can actually run trials too if you look in this center section. So if you click right here, you can actually run, I think it's a 30-day trial of all of their softwares to make sure that you do like them before you would make a purchase. So a really cool, customer-centric, friendly company that really makes amazing products from Ozone to RX to Neutron. They really make some of the best stuff out there. So you can see that our setup is finishing now that everything's been downloaded and authorized. So that's really the whole process here. We'll run RX in a second just to make sure everything comes up okay. But this process is going to be the same on a PC or a Mac. And it's going to work this way basically fluidly for just about every software that you would install from iZotope. installing the D-Reverb plugin right now, which is another really cool thing. If you record a, guitar part, or if you're recording a vocal in a room that has too much reverb, you can actually remove it with that plugin, that component in RX, which is just another amazing thing. It's always amazing the things that they're able to accomplish at iZotope, and really pushing the envelope in terms of audio science, I would say. Music Rebalance is another amazing tool that allows you to adjust finished mixes. So you can, move the bass down, move the drums up, move the vocals up or down individually in a completed mix. All right, it's finishing everything up here. So the setup and installation is done now. So we've gone through these basic steps. We've downloaded and installed the product portal. Again, you only have to do that for the first iZotope product you own. Once you do that, you can actually skip to just registering the serial number for subsequent purchases. So it's very easy after that. And then from the product portal, you will download, install, and authorize everything. And then you're good to go. Sometimes they'll give you free third-party programs that you can run as well. In this case, there's nothing here. And then once you do have things installed, you'll also notice that you can update directly from the app as well. So that's something to keep in mind in the future if they do have an updated version that comes out. And in that case, you'll just click the update and go through the same basic process again. And you can see how quick it loads the updates here. And we'll show you doing that as well. And while it's working here, we're going to authorize that to install the update. Security is always of a paramount interest when you're installing software. You don't want rogue things being installed here. So it's on a Mac especially, it's password dependent from the administrator. But let's run RX because RX 8 is now installed and ready to go. You can run it as a plugin, or you can actually run it as its own standalone application on your computer. And here we are. So now the software is up and running, installed, and authorized. That's all there is to it for iZotope software. If you do have any questions or need help with anything, don't hesitate to leave me a message. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more audio-related information. Again, my name is Ryan Sloan for the Gear Cage. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.